Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility. Bluetooth or USB OTG matters because protocols differ. Once paired, make sure the phone's input method is set to the external keyboard so keys map correctly. Next, open a simple text field or Notes app and type a few characters to verify layout. If characters appear wrong, switch layouts in language settings. This prevents later confusion. This step gets you typing immediately while avoiding common connection or layout issues. Once done with the basics, customize key mapping so your workflow is faster and intuitive. You can change layout to QWERTY or another standard. Changing it aligns physical keys with expected output. Then assign shortcuts, copy, paste, media controls, or app launchers to save taps. If the phone lacks native remapping, install a lightweight helper app to create function layers and long press behaviors. Doing this reduces repeated gestures and makes the keyboard behave like a true product. Finish by tweaking repeat rate and delay so held keys produce the right cadence. Adjust autocorrect and prediction so typing isn't aggressive. Create a function layer for numbers and navigation. This gives easy access to 0, 9, arrows, and symbols without switching apps. Finally, map any remaining macros for common phrases. If things go wrong, first toggle the connection and repair. If that fails, restart the phone's input service or reinstall the helper app. Those steps clear most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.